V-Tuf have sent me this V7 pressure washer to review. Now the V7 is part of their domestic pressure washer range, and this is the highest pressure machine they've got in that range. So as you can see, it's got a working pressure of 130 bar, maximum pressure of 195 bar. It's got a flow rate of 6.7 litres per minute with a maximum flow rate of 8 litres per minute, and it's got a 2500 watt motor. Those specifications mean that this is the most powerful pressure washer I've ever had my hands on, so I'm really interested to see how well it performs under real life conditions. So you can see we've got a bright yellow on-off switch there. The machine is fitted with a hose reel, which is very handy on one of these machines. It's got a 10 metre high pressure hose, a brass water inlet, tool storage slots, and obviously that's convenient there for storing the gun and lance. 5 metre cable, and you can easily remove the cable just by spinning those around if you want to, so you can pull it straight off. That's very handy, I like that. It comes with a chemical tank, so you can actually use it for dispensing chemicals. That is a very big plus point as far as I'm concerned. We've got a turbo nozzle there, which is one of my favourite pieces of equipment for one of these. I love cleaning with a turbo nozzle. If I turn it on the side there, you can see that the reel comes with a foldable handle, so you can reel it in and out. That's quite nice. It's got a very firm handle there. This button on the back allows you to lift and retract the handle, which is handy as well. Below the handle we've got 4 quick release nozzles. 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees and 40 degrees. And also on the end of the lance we've got a black one. As you can see, this black nozzle is quite a big nozzle there. There's a wide opening, you can actually see light through it, and that is for use with a chemical tank, so that allows you to use a chemical tank to actually disperse chemicals through the machine. All of the nozzles are quick release on this. In fact, it's a quick release system, which is very handy and very convenient when you're using it. So if I want to put a nozzle in there, I'll put the chemical one in now. I pull down on this collet, push the nozzle in all the way, and then let the collet go, and that is now fixed. To remove it, pull down, pull the nozzle out. I've got to say I'm a big fan of this quick release system. So the V7 is also provided with a foam cannon. So V-Tuf also provides several kits with their pressure washers, and if you look on their website, I'll actually put a link to the V7 machine in the description of the video below, but you can see some of the kits that they sell with their particular washers. Now they've sent me this stuff to review as well, and you can see that there is quite a lot to choose from. Different kits come with different things and they're designed for different uses. Say one's designed for cleaning cars, another one for household cleaning, that type of thing. So have a look online if you want to actually get extras for it, because it might work out cheaper if you get one of the kits. But as you can see, we've got Super Shine Wax Finish, that's for cleaning the car. Degrease for getting rid of the green algae and mould on woodwork and stonework and that type of thing. A higher rated foam cannon. This is a water hose along with fittings. And then this is one of the kind of packs that they use for specific jobs, and I'll open that up so you can see what's inside. So as you can see, this is a 25 metre half-inch water hose. 25 metres gives you a nice long reach, so that's very handy. So that's available in the accessories. So inside accessories kit that you can buy along with one of the machines, you can see you've got a tough brush with soft nylon bristles, and that's for things like cars, caravans, boats and greenhouses, that type of thing. Also a soft brush, which is great for general cleaning, a microfiber cloth, and also a wash mitt there, which will be brilliant for washing your car. A very big microfiber cloth, and then this is a quick fit adapter, so that if you actually want to wash underneath your car, you could leave this connected to your nozzle all the time and just leave it like that so it's going forward, but you can actually gradually swing it round upwards or swing it round downwards, which is very handy. All of this is one of the accessory packs that you can buy with the machine, and I'm pretty sure that the Super Shine and the D Green is included with that as well. I'm not 100% sure, but you can have a look on the website and see. This is the upgraded foam cannon. This is really heavy and feels very solid and well made. You connect the tube to this, it just pushes on. Like so. That goes into the bottle and tightens up. They've also sent me this upmarket multi-surface cleaner, which is a few steps up I think from their normal patio cleaning head. It's a 12-inch Tuf Turbo heavy duty surface cleaner. It comes with 2 handles, a speed control, and it also has 4 wheels to make it easy to use. So we'll take it out of the box and have a look at it. So I've got to say that looks like an impressive piece of kit. So this is a speed control. The handle there will swivel virtually 180 degrees so you can tackle it from either direction. Just let you have a look at that. Remember, you can pause that if you want to look at it in more detail. Underneath we've got a brush there which will stop water from splattering all over the operator, which is quite nice. 4 very loose wheels, so it'll be very easy to move around. And then I'll show you one of the nozzles. Look, you can see that they're bent so that it's going to spin around this way. Let's have a look at one of the nozzles. So there's one, and as you can see they're both the same. I'll just swing the other one round. And there's the other. You can see there's an O-ring on there, that just pushes in there and then screw it up. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's not too difficult. And there we go, and as you can see this handle just swivels, which makes it a lot more portable when you're moving it. That means you can turn the handle and stuff and it's not going to be flipping over on its side, which I think is very handy. This end just screws into the trigger gun. So as you can see, V-Tuf have sent me a lot of accessories. I'm not going to show all of those in the review, but I will show some of them, definitely the patio cleaner. I'm going to compare the normal foam cannon with the upgraded foam cannon so you guys can have a look at that. And maybe 1 or 2 other things I'm going around. I'll see how it goes. So that is just a quick overview of the V-Tuf V7 and some of the accessories that can be provided with it in their kits. The next video I shall make will be a review of the V7, and I've got some really tough conditions for it to deal with. So hopefully it will live up to my expectations. I hope you found this very useful. Thank you very much for watching, and please take care out there.